blessings will come back to our channel. So today, Papa's gonna make slime.
But before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when we post new videos. So we posted a poll on Instagram about making slime and wanted to see if you guys wanted me to make slime. So here we are making slime.
Making slime.
Alright, so we're gonna get started and make the slime, and the only ingredients we need is glue, preferably Elmer's, and
Stapler.
Alright, so let's get started. Open this.
I'm the winner.
Not too much. Wait for Papi, wait for Papi.
Just a little bit, okay? See, a little bit. I don't want to. I didn't really want to do this, you know.
Yeah, but they voted, so we gotta do it.
Thanks, guys. Okay. Oh, by the way, if you want some coloring on it, all you gotta do is add some food coloring, your preference, whatever color you like best. I'm a plain guy, so I didn't add the color.
No agrees.
It's nothing. Is this gonna be another fail video?
I think you might need a little more glue. But shouldn't be helping because it's your
My
slime.
turn.
Put more glue and you stir it, okay?
Okay.
It looks weird.
Oh. Okay.
Don't do it again.
This.
Don't do it again.
You do know at some point you have to put your fingers in there, right?
I don't really want it.
I'm gonna do it.
Which you really have to.
This. Good.
I will do it then.
You want to stick your fingers in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
Because I'm gonna do it.
Want to feel the gooey stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Ready?
Yeah.
He's gonna try it out for me.
That's cheating.
He wants to.
Comment down below if you guys want Papi to stick his fingers in there.
Hey.
Yep, do it. We wanna see you do it. We wanna see you do
It's not
it.
bad.
I don't care.
It's a lot.
They still want you. I know they want you to put your fingers in there.
No.
Yeah,
why?
they want you to put your fingers in there.
Why?
Come on.
They just want to see me make the slime.
They want to see your reaction.
You ready, Papi?
Yeah.
You do it first.
Papito don't care. He'll do it.
What the? Yeah. All right. Let me try.
Do it. You want Papito? You want Papi to put his fingers in there, right?
Yeah.
Why? It's not ready yet. Don't do it.
Don't do that, Papito.
You're getting glue in here. You don't put it in your clothes, Papi. Put it right here. Okay. Try. Here you go. Oh my gosh.
You gotta knead it, kind of like you were kneading bread.
Isn't it done already?
I'm gonna do it again.
It's
Yeah.
ready. Mix it, Papa.
Wait,
You want to mix it too? Let me see, Papa. It feels like if it was guts.
Have you felt guts before?
No, but I've seen them on TV, like, you know, the reality shows. That's what it looks like. Yeah, like that.
That looks like poop.
Seeing is not the same thing as
Like
touching.
poop or
Don't
something.
touch too close, okay?
Okay.
Oh my god.
It's like poop.
Poo?
Yeah, it's like
Oh my god. Do you guys think that Papi's gonna be able to do slime? Comment down below.
It's doogie. It's like poop. It's like dog's poop.
I don't know what slime is supposed to look like.
It's like doogie.
It's definitely slime, but
But it's like dog food or something.
is it the right slime? I don't know.
I don't know. It's like it. It's like doogie sauce.
Alright, well I think that's it. You're done?
No, we're not.
Yeah,
Well, Papi failed making slime.
that was not my fault. I didn't add the stuff.
I'm gonna use it.
Yeah, but you're supposed to be making slime, bro. Papi failed. You gotta keep practicing making slime, see, so that you can get better at it.
Slimy. So slimy. Please.
Well, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.
If you make
Somebody's
slime,
having a little too much fun with it.
if you make slime, hit the bell. If you do notification.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. And like we always say,
God bless. Peace out.
I'm gonna mix the slime.